What you doing? Oh, you're good. Hello, good morning. It's still morning. 3 minutes left to 12. I got ready. Today is Sunday. Sundays are really boring. I'm gonna go to church with my parents. So I was like, I'm never gonna go to my grandma's because I'm so hungry, bro. I also got my banana. Oh, look at what he got. What the hell? My playlist is bangers. Bangers on bangers. Look at this sky. It's little raining. Loli, correle, nos vamos a mojar. Oh no. It sounds so... It sounds so nice.
Un café y un pan.
Bruh. They want to go get tacos since we already ate. We already ate. We're just gonna go home. I literally took off my makeup so I look crystal.
Ya pues.
Demi, amarration.
Quiero que llegar a jugar.
Huh?
Me faltaba más por darte cuenta.
I need to do some editing right now and I can't find my HDMI thing to put my SD cards in. I don't find what the fuck I'm gonna do. I have a new one, right? Oh. The last thing I wanted to do is spend some money on something I don't need. I mean, I need it, but I need to know where the frick it is. I need to look for it first before I actually decide to spend on that. Yeah. I'm gonna ask Gustavo if he has seen it because I already had lost, I don't know if the baby got this, but I had lost the little clip thing for the LED light. Oh my god, why did it take me so long to say that? You know, something that is color black gets lost easily in anywhere, right? I need to look for it in my room. I asked my mom, I asked my brothers, none of them have seen that. I mean, I even asked Isaac, but of course he wasn't gonna tell me, you know. He doesn't even know what I'm talking about. I even asked Gustavo, but every time I ask him if he's seen something, he's like, no, I don't know. I don't think so. I haven't seen it. I don't think so. He never knows. But it doesn't hurt to ask. Anyway, that's kind of the only reason I bought that LED light, so that I could clip it on. Should just not go my freaking way. And if it was the baby, I think I need to just lock up my stuff and put it somewhere high where he can't reach. I found it. It was in the living room. I'm pretty freaking sure my baby brother got it because why would it have been in the living room? I don't remember taking it over there. Well, unless I left it like on the couch or the table. I'm not blaming my baby brother. Probably was me. I can edit now. My back hurts so bad. I don't know why I did anything. That was my back, man. And of course, Gustavo playing his game. Oh, look behind you. Good morning. Buenos dias. He's not crying right now. No llores, bebé. Mira, vas a salir afuera. Mira.
Vamos, vamos, vamos.
Even got my little kid. ¿Dónde vamos?
Ah.
Wow. Los árboles. The weather's actually pretty good. Oh, ¿qué es eso? to the apartment. Oh, so andamos. Oh, sí, kids. QPSH. Vámonos. Oh, miren los ositos. Get ready for the baby. ¿Quieres uno?
¿Sepa?
Ponlo allí, ponlo allí. Aquí, aquí, Akira. Ay, mamá. Yeah. This looks good. I don't know how much it costs though. Estos sí tienen, mira.
Una marita.
¿O este? ¿La bo o ese? ¿Es ese? ¿La bo? He's looking for the ball candy. Oh no, he saw them. We already had this one for him. A little panda. Right there. Damn, $12? Oh. No se va a acordar. Ay, ay, ay. What you doing? You're gonna crash over there. Dile, how much? Oh, mamá. Bebé. Hey. Oh, you're good. Ah, ¿para qué sacas este? More yogurt. Yogurt? Yogurt.
Ya. Acá hay.
All the balls he could get, bro. Oh no. Barely sweating. A little moment of silence. Damn, it's getting harder.
Que yo ni le dije, yo ni.
Oh my god.